What is this?
This is book.
What is this?
This is book.
What is that?
That is my pen.
What is that?
That is my pen.
Who is he?
He is my father.
Who is he?
He is my father.
Who is she?
She is my mother.
Who is she?
She is my mother.
What is on the table?
These are books.
What is on the table?
These are books.
What are these?
These are flowers.
What are these?
These are flowers.
When we meet now,
We can meet now.
when we meet now,
We can meet now.
what is that?
That is my bag.
What is that?
That is my bag.
Who is she?
My sister.
Who is she?
My sister.
What time is it?
It's 5 p.m.
What time is it?
It's 5 p.m.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
What did you do today?
I went shopping today.
What did you do today?
I went shopping today.
What is this?
This is my bracelet.
What is this?
This is my bracelet.
What happened?
I'm sick.
What happened?
I'm sick.